In this video, I will show you how to update branch from main on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is log on to your GitHub account. Once you're on it, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to the far right where we see the icon that displays our display image. We click on it and we go to repositories. Now in the repositories, we want to find the repository that we want to update the branch from main from. And this is the repository. Now we're going to have a look at the branch tree and see what it's like. So we have the main branch, we have two other branches, we have new branch 2 and we have new branch. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to make this a practical example. And now it might be the developer that worked on new branch, and you have a pull request that you're trying to merge into the main branch. But before you merge that branch to the main branch, some other developer had already created a file, and we're going to assume this is the file. We're going to commit these changes to the main branch directly. We'll commit directly to main, and once we click on commit, we should have this file. So now the issue is that this new branch was branched out from the main branch, whilst the main branch had just a readme. But when we go back to the main branch, now the main branch has a readme, the new file md, and we also worked on the new branch. We worked on a new file called testmd, and we would like to merge this testmd file to this main branch and still make sure that it has this new file. So practically what you do is, this is best done on the terminal locally. You might have some conflicts and you need to resolve those conflicts locally, because that's more advisable. But since this tutorial is mainly for doing it on GitHub, I'm going to show you how to do it on GitHub. Now you're going to come to your pull requests. Now on your pull request, you're going to see it's checking for conflicts with base, and you're going to click here and you're going to come to rebase. What you want to do is you want to rebase. You want to pull the code from the main and make sure that that comes on your new branch, but it doesn't affect your new work. So let's do a rebase, and then let's rebase. Now with rebase, the only file we changed is the test.md file on this branch. Now when we go to the main branch, you see the main branch. The main branch has the new file and it has the test.md file. Once again, once you go back to your pull request, realize the only file you added to this new branch is the test.md file. And at the time before we added, the main branch didn't have the test.md file. It only had the readme file and the new file. But because we branched from this main branch at the time that it only had the readme file, now we had to rebase before we merged our new file to this readme file. So now it has the change that some other developer made, and it has a change also on the main branch. Now that's how you update branch from main on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.